Dug up a couple more blueberries today and some banana plants. Get ready to go put them in the ground in the land. Stay tuned. I decided to go ahead and dig up a couple of the small little pups that was coming up from the Giambo plants. I just can't remember the type of banana this is. I know this is one of my fruiting bananas. This is either the double my way, I believe that's banana. That's what it's called. I can't remember. I have to go back and double check. But I dug up this pulp and this one right here. I just got them planted next to the pig cage. Pig's right there eating. So I'm gonna give this a try, see how it works. I know they do good inside soil, this type of soil, so it should be good. I went ahead and put 2 more of my blueberry plants in the ground. This is probably my biggest one. This one is probably about, if I stand this straight up, probably at least about 6'1", 6 feet. A nice little spread to it. This is the one I planted the other day. You can see the size comparison between that one. This bush here, planted the other one right there behind this one. I got 1 more to plant that I dug up for today. Put it right there, and I'll probably dig up some more probably this weekend and bring out some more to plant. But for now, this is it. I'll go ahead and fill up these buckets and water everything in and call it a day. Everybody stay safe, stay blessed. See you in the next one. Just want to do a quick size comparison, show you guys how big they have gotten since they've been here. They just knocked over their food. They're over here munching on a couple of pumpkins too. This is a 55-gallon drum right here, so you can see her next to it, kind of see size comparison. They definitely eat good, I'll tell you that.